want to talk with you today about Math Workshop. Math Workshop is just this great course. I love it because Math Workshop, I get to talk about all of the elements. I do a guided math course, but we really focus on guided math and taking a deep dive. And in Math Workshop, we look at the broader picture. What's going on for math in your class? And Math Workshop looks at that. We look at the introduction of the workshop and what students are doing, what the mini lessons look like, what calendar looks like if you're in the primary grades. We look at energizers and routines and mini lessons and problem solving, and all of that is the intro. And then we look at the student activity period. What's going on in those math workstations? And we also look at what's going on in your guided math group. And so I'll show you a lot of tools. I'll talk about the different lesson types. I will talk about what goes on in the different workstations. What are the permanent workstations that you'll have all year? What are the temporary workstations that you'll have during the unit of study? And so we look at those structures. And then we also look at the debrief. The debrief is the end of the day. What do you do when Math Workshop is over? You certainly just don't say, okay, you guys, close up your books, open up science, and now we're going on. You're supposed to close Math Workshop. Math Workshop has bookends. It has an introduction and it has a conclusion. At the end of every day, you should bring the kids back together and say, what did we do today? What did we learn? What's easy? What's hard? What's tricky? What do I need help with, right? What do I really know? What can I teach others? I mean, you're really trying to close up that workshop, and you might do some writing. You might do a class journal. You might do various and sundry things for your conclusion, for your debrief. And so in this course, you learn how to do all of that stuff. You learn how to do the opening, you learn how to do the student activity period, and you learn how to do the debrief. So take the course. You're going to learn tons of stuff. All right. Happy mathing.